Here we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC250 AMG Night Edition. Now this vehicle comes with the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which are in excellent condition and unmarked, as you can see just down there. You'll also find the polar white metallic paintwork. We do have the LED headlights, got the Pan America front grille and the black Mercedes badge in the centre. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel, again in excellent condition, just down there. You'll also find the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. We do have the colour-coded door handles, the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass at the rear. Up top, you'll find the roof rails along with the panoramic glass sunroof. It's currently open. Can also get put onto a tilt. We do also have the front and rear parking sensors on this vehicle, along with a rear reversing camera. We've got the rear diffuser at the back with the dual exhaust, power operated tailgate as well. You can press the button just underneath here and you'll find it will open just like so. Inside of here, you can see we have plenty of space wherever you may need. You've got the partial shelf at the top. We also have a storage net here on the left. 12-volt connectivity and also hooks as well inside of here. And there's a closer look inside. You'll also find handles either side, along with the button just here to close the boot again. You'll also find we do have the gloss black rear spoiler just here, sitting nice and aggressive. Back around to the driver's side and we'll take a look at the interior. Inside of here you'll find the leather seats. We do have the foldable armrests and fixed ISO points as well. Got the vents in the centre for the rear passengers, AMG floor mats. You'll also find the wooden effect trim on the doors along with the electric windows. If we have a look at the front, you'll find the same black leather seats. Let's look at the roof as well. Both of these front seats are also heated and electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. Heat seat buttons on the doors, along with the wooden effect trim, electric mirrors, electric windows, and child lock for the rear. Automatic lights. We then have the multifunctional steering wheel. Let's take a seat inside, and you'll find you've got the dashboard in front of us, the digital screen in the centre. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button. The vehicle starts up. We do have the stalk down here for the speedometer and the cruise control. We also have paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. Dashboard is free from any warning lights. We do have the digital speedometer in the centre. If any lights or screens in this video are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life. It's nothing to worry about. We do have the main infotainment screen. Plenty of features on here. We do have the shortcut buttons so you can see the sat nav. We've got the radio stations. If you press onto media, you'll also find a range of different media options. You can see the media interfaces, Bluetooth audio. We have the CD player and also the memory card. We do have the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well for the phone calls, and if we go on to the settings, you'll also find that we do have ambient lighting on this vehicle. We've got a few different colours which you can choose from just there. Further down, you'll find the vents, again wooden effect trim down here in the centre. Got the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice-cold air conditioning as well, all working as it should do. Open this up to find the two cup holders. We also have the storage space inside of that as well. We have the dial just here for the screen, along with the switch for the different drive modes. You'll find Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and also individual drive mode as well. It also pops up on the dashboard as you flick through them. Putting the vehicle into reverse now, you'll find the reversing camera appear on the screen, along with the parking sensors as well. It also appears, the parking sensors also appear on the dashboard at the top. Back into parking, that is all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Mercedes-Benz GLC. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, left to 5 the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off, turn left, but to the right hand side staying straight and true. Now we do the multifunction steering wheel, which has the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right, along with the stalk just behind it for the cruise control and speedometer. We've got the digital speedometer in the centre of the dashboard, but can also show different bits of information. We are just approaching a junction now, so slowing down, putting our right indicator on. Then we're going to make sure it's safe to turn right, there's no cars coming, so we're going to continue on our way, get up to speed again, going through the gears nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find we have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the leather seats as well, which are really comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still go out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated is perfect for the cold winter mornings. We also have plenty more features from the interior. We've got the wooden effect trim which runs all throughout. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof just up that as well, all makes the interior a nice place to be. You'll then find the main infotainment screen just here. It's currently showing the radio stations, but also has plenty more features on there as well. We are going to take another right hand turn now, so again put our right indicator on. We're going to slow down and then take a right turn onto Gravy Road, and I will accelerate now, get up to speed, going through the gears again with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. You can press the switch just down here to switch through all the different drive modes. We are just approaching the dealership now, so we're going to take it nice and steady, coming around the bend, put our left indicator on, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, into reverse, and you'll find we have the reverse camera appear on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with what is required of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.